Good morning. Well, still working on the weathering. Went through my collection of cars and just started picking out a bunch of stuff to weather. I got mostly M2s, some green lights. Here's the weathering powder that I've been using mostly, and the rust paint from Testers. I don't even know if they make that anymore or not. But let's take a look over here. I got some more cars that we're gonna rust and dirty up. Some more up over here, a few more over there. So I'll show you what they look like when they're done. All right, well, here we go. Did up some M2s and a Johnny Lightning. Let's take a look a little closer at them. We got the 69. There we go. And I used the rust paint around the wheel wells and on the bottom. That's Midwestern rust patterns. Our cars rust from the bottom up here. I know when you see rusty cars, a lot of guys do them. They got the sun fade rust from on the top, which burns off the paint, and then it gets a universal patina. Well, our cars usually don't get that bad. Usually, what it is the very top looks decent because we don't get a huge amount of sun here, and they rot from the bottom up because of the salt, especially in the 60s and 70s and 80s. Cars really rusted from the bottom up. So let's take a spin on that. Take a little closer. I got license plates on it. You kind of see the one under there. Got the rust going up the sides. Oops. I still got to seal these. License plate. Then I did up a couple M2 58 Chevy Impalas. Similar treatment with the rust pen and the took out a headlight. I just kind of swapped the doors and the hood between the two cars. You'll see it in a minute here. I got another 58 Chevy sitting right here. And just, wheel swaps and see the headlights out on there. License plates from Rhonda, the decal queen. Let's see here, and then over here. Gotta be careful handling them because this stuff will come off on your fingers pretty easily. We just did that with the weathering powder. I did a wash on this one too with the AK wash, but one thing I found is that the AK wash does not dry real well on metal. It takes a lot longer for it to dry. So, and then here's a Johnny Lightning Corvette. They don't rust. I'm taking off some of the powder with my fingers. I just did some powder on it because I wanted it to look like it was in a dirty garage. So that's what we got right now. Like I showed you, I got a bunch of clean cars that I'm gonna do up. So I'm sorry about the shaky camera. Anyways, so as I get them done, I'll show them to you guys. So we'll probably be doing videos almost every day for a little while till I get rid of cars to rust or I have something else to do with my day. So it's going to be gardening season soon, so my wife has big plans this year, so I might not be able to get down into the studio as much as I'd like to. So, all right, you guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment. I do appreciate all the comments you guys have been giving me, and we'll see you soon.